Hey there, Playmo pals, and welcome back to another Playmo AF Playmobil unboxing and review. Today we are taking a look at Dario from the Novelmore collection. Let's check it out. Alright guys, welcome back, and as stated at the beginning, we are taking a look at the character Dario from the Novelmore series from Playmobil. As you can see here on the box, it's pretty self-explanatory. We've got our character here, Dario, and he's got a toolbox with multiple tools here, and looks like a book, possibly from the little research I've done. It could be like a diary of his inventions and ideas and things like that. And then of course he has a blueprint in his hand of his next great invention to help the kingdom of Novelmore. I personally haven't been watching the series. I know nothing about it. I do like the characters though. This one apparently is one of the more popular ones, if not the most popular, and he is included in quite a number of Playmobil sets currently in circulation. But one day down the line, somebody decided, you know what, Dario's so cool, so great, and so popular that we're going to give him his own figure and release him separately from everything else. But who is Dario exactly? Let's check this out.
In Novelmore, Dario DaVanci is a clever inventor and caretaker of the Novelmore castle. He is known for his ingenious inventions and tools that help the Knights of Novelmore, often working on new ideas and designs in his secret workshop. He is a key character in the Novelmore playsets and story, known for his creativity and contributions to the kingdom.
So with that said, we are taking a look at set number 71302, and we're going to take a look at the other side of the box here. We have just a whole bunch of legal information and the QR code there on the bottom, to giving you a little brief lesson on the importance of recycling. And on the other side we have a small picture of Dario just peeking through a shield-shaped window. Here's the top, which also shows that we are getting a card and a small sheet of stickers. Here's the bottom, showing off the barcode and a little bit more of the legal stuff. Back of the box has all of the choking hazard warnings in multiple languages, and also has all of our contents photographed individually. Well guys, that's enough of the box details. Let's go ahead, crack this thing open, and see what's inside. Out the trading card first. It's nothing too outstanding, and it is a nice picture of our character. It looks like he would be in his little workshop. He's got the telescope there behind him. The other side of the card is pretty simple. It just has the Novelmore Playmobil logo. It would have been nice if there was like a QR code or something, you know, interactive, so that when you ran the QR code on your phone, it would give you a little history of who Dario is and his role in the Novelmore series. And then here are the stickers. It's nice, very nice looking stickers overall. I do like the Novelmore logo there on the top. The Dario character, it's an interesting pose, I think. He's just kind of sitting there thinking, but I don't really understand why they would give us stickers of the compass and the feather pen and, well, the blueprint here looks like it makes sense, but I don't know, it just seems kind of like a random assortment. I mean, the only two that really make sense are probably the Novelmore logo and Dario himself, so I don't really know what's going on with all those tools. On the back, it's just got the legal information. Also has the Novelmore Playmobil logo on the back. And that's it for that. Here's our character, here's Dario. I really dig this little eyepiece that he has on there. That's pretty cool. That just gives it, I like that it kind of reminds me of the Borg from Star Trek: The Next Generation. But this is a very cool figure. I like everything about the color scheme, the overall look. I appreciate the fact that they are still using the separate eye and mouth piece for the eyes. Well, obviously the eyes and the mouth. See that the fact that it's two colors inside is proof that it's a separate piece there. And what they did is what I've been wanting them to do is print the different eye color onto those separate pieces there. And I think they could do it with the mouth too. And for all I know, they've done it. So Dario has this sort of brownish orangish colored hair and wears a brown vest with a little bit of yellow trim and a blue top with printed strings on the chest there, with yellow and blue sleeves. And of course he's got these metal sleeves going down his forearm. I guess that's his armor underneath. At least I would hope. He would otherwise not be too protected. And then he wears blue jeans, or rather blue pants, not so much jeans, but blue pants with some printed on maybe work belt accessories, and then brown boots. And of course he's got his brown belt on, which you can connect the little satchel to, which I've done right there. He does come with this little hat, which I've only seen on a few other Playmobil figures. The ventriloquist, or no, not the ventriloquist, the puppeteer one being the more recent one that I can remember. And of course the other Dario figures and playsets have the same hat. I'm pretty positive. I do like this hat a lot. I think it's a very nice style and kind of fits him perfectly. Here we have the blueprints. It looks like he is creating a... I have no idea what this could possibly be. Maybe a hot air balloon? I'm not 100% certain. I wonder if it is addressed in the Playmobil Novelmore series. I have no idea. So we're just going to let that one go. So here is his toolbox. And I like it that it's brown, so it kind of resembles wood. His tools are all gray. We have a screwdriver, a pencil, a hammer, what is this? A flathead screwdriver. What is this here? What is that, a razor? What is that? Seriously, why isn't it focused? Oh, a paintbrush, it looks like. And then we have a saw. I have no intention of opening these just yet, just because I have plenty of tools everywhere else. Here is the compass, which allows Dario to draw his perfectly round circles when he needs to. Here is Dario's book of ideas and inventions. One thing I forgot to mention is that he does come with these sleeve cuffs, which complete his outfit. I do like this a lot. I like that extra splash of caramel brown that matches his vest there. That's really nice. There we go. Let's move that out of the way. And that's a really good and completed version of what he looks like. Okay, and for the most part, we have Dario pretty much completed, minus all the tools here. But I really dig this figure. I think it's done brilliantly well, and I don't have much to do with him with my personal stories that I might post on Instagram, but overall I think it's going to be a nice little display piece for sure. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for further Playmobil content. You can also check us out on Instagram, as I mentioned before. You can follow us at plano.af. Guys, that is it for now. We've got more on the way. Until then, guys, have a great day. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you. Bye-bye.